Hi everyone. I'm just gonna make a quick video on how to find the coordinates of a point on a directed line segment, uh, given a ratio. So it seems like a crazy formula, but it's actually quite simple once you label your coordinates correctly. So basically, what you want to do to start a problem like this, and ultimately what you're trying to do, is figure out where a coordinate would be on a line segment given a certain ratio. So it's similar to the midpoint formula, but you're not actually finding a point in the middle. You're finding a point, in this case, in a ratio of 1 to 2 on the line segment. So first, what we want to do here is label our coordinates. So -1, we're going to label x1. -6, we're going to label y1. 8, we'll label x2. And -3, we'll label y2. Then our ratio, we're going to label the first number A and the second number B. All right. So now we'll jump into the formula. So basically what you're doing first is finding the coordinate of the x value. So these are two kind of halves of the formula. Then you'll find the coordinate of the y value. The formula looks kind of intense, but really it's just plugging in the numbers. So x1 is -1. A is 1. And again, A is 1. And B is 2. And so this is essentially the starting coordinate times the ratio. And then, the starting coordinate plus the ratio times the distance between x2 and x1. So we find that distance by subtracting. So 8 is x2 and x1 is -1 again. All right. So this can be computed on a calculator. I'll do it step by step here just to show you. So -1 plus 1 over 3. And then 8 plus negative, so 8 minus -1 is the same as saying 8 plus 1, which is 9. So now we'll just keep simplifying. 1/3 times 9 is 3. -1 plus 3 is 2. So our x coordinate for our final answer is 2. So now what we do is basically just repeat the process for the y coordinates over here. So y1 we know is -6. We know the value of a is again still 1. Okay, a is 1 plus b is 2. Okay, so I'm just plugging in 1 here, I'm plugging in 1 here, and I'm plugging in 2 here. We know y2 is -3. And finally, we know y1 is -6. So sometimes if you put in the calculator, it's beneficial to use these parentheses just to make sure the calculator does exactly what you want it to do. So again, you can really legitimately just put this whole thing right in the calculator and it will compute it for you. But I'll just go through it again step by step. So -6 plus 1 over 1 plus 2 is 1 over 3 times -3 minus -6 is the same as -3 plus 6, which is +3. So we bring down -6. 1/3 times 3 is 1. And -6 plus 1 is -5. So our y coordinate is -5. Okay, so essentially what you did here was you found a point that was in the ratio of 1 to 2 between two given points. So I guess just try this on your own on Delta Math. There is also a video on Delta Math that you can use if this one wasn't helpful. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Sorry, I'm just a little under the weather, but I'll see you again